What is that? Dummy. It's an airplane. Never mind. It's like fucking 1 o'clock in the morning. It's the moon. It's almost a full moon tonight. So bright. So big. What the fuck is that in the sky? What is that? There's a lens flare from the moon. What the fuck are they? Are those the stars? There's no way. Dude, what is that? What a dummy. It's the reflection of the moon off the palm tree. What a trip. It looked like fucking stars in the sky. Oh, there it is again. Oh, that's awesome. Alright.